tembea nami daima siku zote, Bwana wangu nilinde.
My dear friends, good afternoon. I'm Reverend Father Francis Kunga, and I welcome you to our today's 50th Sunday of Easter reflections. First reading is from the Acts of the Apostles, chapter 6, from verse 1 to 7. We hear the growth of the first Christian community. They sorted out in a peaceful manner the problems that inevitably arose. The second reading is from 1 Peter chapter 2 from verse 4 to 9. The Christian community is compared to a building, the foundation stone of which is Christ. And the gospel of today is John 14, from verse 1 to 12. Jesus' discourse at the Last Supper, where he consoles his friends who are saddened at the thought of his going. Jesus tells them that he is going to prepare a place for them. The theme of our readings is Jesus the way, the truth, and life. My dear friends, the Lord tells his apostles, do not let your hearts be troubled. Believe in God and believe also in me. The Lord tells us the same today. For sure, we will have troubles. The Lord does not free us from all troubles. We may not be able to rule the storms of troubles and difficulties, but we can keep the storms of troubles and difficulties from overcoming us. We have to build this house of ours on the rock, or else on Jesus Christ. And when floods of troubles come and the winds of difficulties blow, the house will not fall. Jesus again says, in my Father's house there are many dwelling places. I go to prepare a place for you. I will come again and will take you to myself, that where I am, you may be also. When some important person comes to our house or our home to stay, we prepare a place for that person. We get room ready. We furnish the room with all things necessary for him to stay. Jesus is telling us that he is preparing a place for us in heaven. He is saying that he is waiting for us. Each one of us is important for Jesus. Jesus is thinking of our needs, of our desires. He wants to make us happy and at home in heaven. Jesus wants us to be with him forever in heaven. He prayed at the Last Supper, "Father, I desire that those also whom you have given me may be with me where I am, to see my glory which you have given me, because you loved me before the foundation of the world." Jesus says, "In my Father's house there are many dwelling places," meaning in God's house there are relics and Christ faithful. There are many associations of the faithful, like Legion of Mary, like Society of St. Vincent de Paul. There are institutes of consecrated life and societies of apostolic life. Among the institutes of consecrated life, there are secular institutes and religious institutes. Among religious institutes, there are those who are fully dedicated to contemplation, and there are those who are dedicated to contemplation and active apostolate. Today, there are basic Christian communities like charismatic renewal movements, Focorale movement, Legion of Mary, Sacred Heart of Jesus, Pioneer movement, and so on. Why not belong to one or other of the above mentioned movement or institutes? Jesus said to Thomas, "I am the way, I am the truth and life." To have Christ as a guide of our journey and a companion on our way is without doubt a thing of a great value. For whether we like it or not, we have to travel and arrive at a definite goal. This life is a road. The road may be plain or mountainous. This road may have terrible diseases like COVID-19, but we are assured that if Christ is with us, we are always safe. He has powers to rescue us from every danger. Today we are invited to examine ourselves and see which is the way we are following: the road of drugs, or the road of violence, the road of hatred, the road of selfishness. Among all these roads, which one will satisfy us? Or else, which one will take us to eternal happiness? Not that it is actually God who comes to seek us, and he comes to meet us on the right path. Jesus is the way, the truth, and the life. Without the way, there is no going. Without the truth, there is no knowing. Without the life, there is no living. Jesus is the way which we must all follow. Jesus is the truth which we must believe. Jesus is life which we must live. If you are looking for where to go, follow Christ, because he is the truth. If you are looking for where to stay with Christ, for he is the life. Therefore, follow Christ. If you want to be secure, you'll never be lost, because Christ is the way. A Kristo maitũ umuthi otono na mina kuweta ni chumwa cha katano chevinda ya kuthayuka kwa Yesu, na umuthi Yesu nukumatabia atume make, na noguo ukutuyakana ngoo situ ikauye iketha na mathina tumwikie Ngai na tuimwikia we. Yesu etuya kwa goki mathina maisha ni maitu mayema kwithiwa tuyenda na tutekwenda iseve itulumo na ivingitho cia maisha ikethia wa kila muthenya, na itu tuiwa tukamuboya na tuimukulia Ngai atunenge bina tuikasindwe na kuthelelwa ni mwikio, ni kana tuikasindwe no tuiwa no mubaka kila umwe waitu aseovya nyumba yake yolo waibia, na kuseovya nyumba yolo waibia ni kuseovya nyumba yaitu, kuseovya maondo maitu yolo wa Yesu. Yesu easia ingi thini wa nyumba ya asa wakwa pe mawikalo maingi, na ninguthi kumuseovisia bandu na ngoka kumwisia ni kana bala nithiwa one ni mukethi wapo thila tukutheka wani aya ni mesieni yaitu ni tumaseovia cia bandu ba ukoma, bandu ba kuia, bandu ba kwikala. Yesu etuya no tuseovisia bandu ba kwikala kuya ituni kiloma waitu metho ni mangai ni wabata muno kwa mundu muima, kwa mundu munini, mundu musomu kwa utemu somu, ona muthui kwa nja, ithio metho ni mangai ti mabata. Wendi wa Yesu ni kana kiloma waitu kwithiwa na Yesu utanune utathela itune. Yesu etutavia kana nombane ya ithe wake pe mawikalo maingi aimaanisia kana nombane ya Ngai wake mawia magutethia maitaleka ni maingi muno. Kiloma waitu ena wito wa kuthukuma mawia a twina wia wa thembi na twina wia wa andu ala matia thembi, twina wini kanisani, twina lejo mambikila Maria, twina ngontheu ya Yesu na mawia angi maingi muno nombane ya Ngai. Kiloma waitu nunuthokwa ethwa na kianda nthini wa mauthukumi maki utume kanisani. Yesu etuya umuthi kana ni wansia twikulwa umuthi ni nsia thiva ila twisilite. Amwe maitu ni masakuite nsia ya kalugu, nsia ya kimena, nsia ya kiwiu, ona nsia ya ithoko, ona nsia ya kau. Ikulio ya umuthi nene ni kalugu kakau bichava, kimena kikakumia chao, nzuko ikauteria na ke. Siendu hii tusakuite ikatunenga utani waguo twiwa Ngai nowe uka utumanda na akabikia kutwona etho tukethwa twisilite ziani ila yaguo patenzia ona chalo kiigwo. Yesu no wanzia ila twailitwe ni kwatia Ngai na mwathime inyonthe kiloma wenu isitwa ni asa na ya mwana na ya Roho Mutheru ithoi na mwana na museo. Asante.
Moseo,